Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back with a brand new tech unboxing video for you guys once again. Now today we're going to be taking a look at this Sigma, big boy Sigma lens. Ran us about 800 bucks. This is going to be the 35mm lens. It is a focal range of f1.4. So this letting in a lot of great lighting. Right now on the camera right now we got a 50mm 1.4 lens from Canon on there, so I'm quite curious to figure out how is this Sigma lens going to compare to the Canon EF lens I currently have on right now. But without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy, but right after this. You guys, so we are back in. Yeah, let's go and get straight into the unboxing. Sigma lens, 35mm by Canon, not by Canon, but with the Canon EF mounts on here. So inside the box already, we got some type of paperwork that I kind of sort of already ditched, but whatever. Let's go ahead and pull this lens out. And inside the box down here, we do have a couple documentations. Probably nothing that serious, you know, same old stuff, you know, read some of that paperwork. Nobody's gonna do that right now. Nobody wanna do that. Inside here we got the warranty tag. Definitely want to put a warranty on here. And then this is the official manual. So let's get into the fun stuff right quick. This is going to be a quick short video anyway, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and yeah, open it up, man. Let's see. All right, cool. So inside of here, it does come with this little nice hard foam case inside of here. That's pretty dope. And then we have our Sigma 35mm lens coming out. On here, we do have our little shader. This is what I call a single shader. I don't know anybody else call. I guess you guys call it a lens hood. So yeah, we can call it that too. But then inside the plastic, hold on, we got the beautiful Sigma 35mm. This is going to be a prime lens. Once again, it is a f1.4. So it is going to let in a lot of light. So that's a pretty cool thing, especially if you know, with the Canon R, it already has a great low light sensor, well, what is it called? I guess low light capabilities. So with pairing it up with a 1.4, I mean, what else can you expect? You're gonna get the job done for sure. So yeah, I mean, this lens is a beauty. So what we're gonna do next is going to take this 50mm off and we're gonna replace it with a 35, and we're gonna see if you guys can see a quality difference in it. But I don't think you probably can. I don't think so. Also on this lens right here, we do have two switches. It is a autofocus switch and then also the manual switch, pretty much, you know, this click and we switch it off of there. Now this does have a 67mm adapter on the top as well, so if you want to go ahead and put like ND filters on that this camera don't connect to it, I'm like, come on now. So yeah, you can go ahead and do something like that, man. But Sigma is known for having some of the greatest glass in the world. So but anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and swap out the lenses and we'll be right back. All right, you guys, so we are back, and I do want to show you guys that I do have the Sigma lens on. This right here is going to be that 50mm lens that we did just take off the Canon. So this is a 35mm lens. I'm looking at my field camera up top, and I can kind of sort of see that there is a big difference so far. I mean, this lens right here, like I said, Sigma got some excellent glass, and I can kind of see that I'm a little bit clearer. You can kind of see it's more sharper and everything, and I'm gonna keep looking at myself up top because, like I said, man, it looks dope. I can't wait to take this thing outside and, you know, actually go get some photography done. I got a couple models I got to shoot this weekend, I think so. So we will be using a 35mm. Now, I do want to let you guys know this. This view right now is not 35. This is the Canon R 1.6 crop that we have in a 4K. On the 50mm, I was just shooting in 1080p, but I got so much stuff on the side of me. Y'all probably like, well, dang, dude, you got closer. Yeah, I got closer because I'm not shooting in 35. I think it's like a 56 times crop or something like that. So, hey, not times crop, but 56mm when we have the 1.6 crop on. But anyway, you guys, like I said, we're gonna keep this video real short and simple. This right here was just simply an unboxing. We're not gonna technically review this just yet, but what we will do is this. I do have this Canon 24 to 105 lens. This is like the standard lens that came with the Canon R if you bought it in that package. Now this is a f4, so we're gonna go ahead and shoot in I-35 on this. Then we're also going to take a picture on the 50 of this, and then we're going to use this 35mm from this Sigma, and we're going to compare all the 3 images and stuff. So make sure you guys want to stay tuned for that for sure. So without further ado, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notification bells on for some more, and we will see you guys next time. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace. Is this thing still on? It's still on. Look how crispy it is. It's so crispy. Let's go.